Model, 2017 Fiat Talento Van Long Wheelbase, 12 EcoJet 145 HPS and S-Fresh MOT No VAT bargain body, grey, panel van mileage, 123752 MOT, the 1st of February 2025 engine, 1598 CCR9M408 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Start and drive brilliant late no warning lights on the dash. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, aircon, cruise control, 2 keys, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, Cat N in 2023 cap retail, £6,550 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.